On Tuesday, the 18th of June 2024, police officers of Ri Bhoi district opened fire on 4 highway robbers who attempted to kidnap a truck driver and tried to run over the police team at Nongpoh. According to Ri Bhoi SP Jagpal Singh Dhanoa, the incident began at around 4:30 a.m. when a truck driver alerted authorities about a gang of highway robbers assaulting and extorting money from truck drivers at Umtrew. The robbers, who had kidnapped the truck driver with registration number JH02AK9061, broke through several police checkpoints set up along the highway. The suspects were eventually apprehended at Nongpoh after police used reasonable force to stop their vehicle, a white Scorpio without a registration number. Ri Bhoi Additional Superintendent of Police Banrap Jirwa reported that the involvement of the suspects in the extortion and kidnapping activities was revealed through information provided by the abducted driver Princhand Kumar Mali. Mali was released by his kidnappers when they realized police were in pursuit. Based on his information, checkpoints were established at Umtrew, Saiden and Nongpoh. The suspect's vehicle was intercepted at Downgate, Nongpoh, after the driver attempted to flee. The suspects, identified as Pradeep Gogoi from Dibrugarh, Tulan Phukan from Lakhimpur, Pranjal Gogoi from Tinsukia and Deep Das from Bugakhat, all residents of Assam, are currently in police custody. Investigations are ongoing to determine their involvement in other cases of kidnapping, robbery or extortion.
Kapol South Sting, don't we truck driver ba one here tu, nang tahu one inform itu kanaka team jungi ba kidon kita ki highway robber, ki hajan kini ki bayeng hajan kini ke area Umtrew, kidon daka ki kali kini ke Scorpio ke balik ke bangdan number plate, ke ba attempt ban extort ban pan pisah ni ki truck driver, lata kim seal ki show ki dat ki, te kapal hapok ngiyok kata information immediately ngi-inform siapa Singh ban siapa yang PS bakin wat kita di highway robber te kapal bagi wat napa Singh kilami kiyo iya kali polit te kini ki beri ki pet nang te ki wan sini serum tingi ni alert no hang ni up kana kah ni up ya kana kah ni khamat habar ni khamat PS kapal bagi poi hang ni ki mod ban tendra dimut ban rat ikan naka kaba yang haniro with intention ban penyam te kirung hakani ka service lane hakato kapor kalama iki bru ki bayat ba yang hatoro te kapor paki ayu ki haban be ki bru jungi hadin joki ki be hadin joki an kumba stengen ta in dalayo be ki baro ngiyo ban bad iki baro manong tang kani ba mangiong daga English reasonable force had to be used tangatai lanti niki bro ki keteng jong ini ki accuse ki de way do no driver do deep das ubade na po Bugakhat Assam Pradeep Gogoi ubade na po Lahwal Dibrugarh Tulan Phukan ubade na po Lakhimpur Pranjal Gogoi ubade na po Tinsukia te minta ngi nyala medical iki hakapor bangilabat iki ngi ajing tip ba udan way truck driver ba kilamon ban kidnap kilabat yu kilara yu tang hakapor bagi bagi pulit ki kenya na yu shabar ti yu ngilayo ban recover minta ngilang medical yu tu ngilayo ban rescue yu te yu ngilang manyalam minta sini tingin nyo ban toket ba in hakani ka yu in register ka case minta yigini kisawat mangin yo wajing tip ke ka jing thu jongki kila jude nen guni ki kam chwa te ngilang phakhat witness ro minta mangin yo ban check ba po Scorpio padon nem kater katari yo padon ye bagi ra alam baki mangin yo ban si sakmat ki witness